Hello friends, today we will be discussing about fractions. Fraction is a basic mathematical problem that everyone should know about. So at first let us know what is fraction. It is a number that represents a part of whole. It consists of the numerator, denominator and the fraction bar which separates the numerator from the denominator. Now what is denominator? The number on the bottom representing the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into is known as the denominator. The numerator. The number on top representing the number of parts being considered is the numerator. Let me explain this by giving you a simple example. There was a birthday party at Irfan's house and he bought a huge birthday cake for him. He cut the cake into 12 equal pieces from which Shalini, his friend, had 4 pieces. This can be represented as 4 by 12 and if we want to reduce it to its lowest term, we have to write 1 by 3. Now, how to reduce a fraction to its lowest term? To reduce a fraction to its lowest term, we need to divide both the numerator and the denominator by their HCF, highest common factor. We need to find the HCF of 4 and 12 by following the prime factorization method. In the prime factorization method, we need to divide both of the numbers separately and divide them by their lowest divisor. So, the lowest divisor of 4 is 2. If we divide 4 by 2, we get the answer to 2, which can be again divided by 2 and get the final answer to 1. 12 can be also divided by 2, getting the answer to 6. 6 can be divided by 2, getting the answer to 3. We need to remember that we should continue dividing or the division till we cannot proceed anymore or divide it. So now let us find the HCF. The factors of 4 are 2 into 2. You can write into 1 or if you also don't write, it's not a problem. Factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now you need to find the common numbers. There are 2 in both of them and how many times? 2 times. So the common factors are 2 into 2. The number of times there is a number in both of the number, you have to multiply them that many times. So in both of the number, the factors are listed. From there you can see that 2 has been given twice. So we need to multiply it and get the answer to 4. If you have got this answer, I think that you have understood the problem and the solution. The HCF of 4 and 12 is 4. I just showed you how to do HCF, and the ones who already know how to do it, they can do it mentally just by seeing. Or we can tell another thing, that is, you can simply divide it by small numbers at first except of jumping to larger numbers. Suppose 4 by 12 can be divided by 2 as the lowest divisor and we have to divide both of them. So if we divide 4 by 12 by 2, we get the answer to 2 by 6. And now we have to again divide it by a number that can divide both of them. So 2 can divide 2 by 6, getting the answer to 1 by 3. We are getting the answer same no matter what process we are following. So it's completely up to you what you follow. And now let me tell you the types of fraction. Fraction has many friends. The equivalent fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions and the unit fractions. Unit fraction is not required in all of the cases. Mostly we use equivalent fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. And now just like us, fraction also has 3 best friends. They are also known as the 3 major types of fractions. The mixed fractions, proper fractions and improper fractions. Now, if you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget that I'll be bringing another video to you about all the types of fractions and what are their use. Thank you. Bye bye.